John Mitchel was born in Dungiven in 1815. We know from the political and public and even indeed the religious activity of John Mitchel Sr. that he had a huge influence on John Mitchel's life. There would have been some expectation for John Mitchel to follow in his father's footsteps and become a religious minister. However, he thought he himself had no vocation for it. So after John Mitchel had rejected the idea that he might become a religious minister, he then went and took up a position with members of his mother's family in Derry to work as a banking clerk and to train in that profession. However, he found this to be very boring and full of drudgery, so eventually he turned towards the law in Trinity College Dublin, which was a fairly new thing for a Presbyterian to do at that time because there were still restrictions that existed in terms of religious instruction at Trinity.